when you were putting steps in, it's probably a good idea to put them in temporary so that you can move them around if you have to. And after you've hauled heavy blocks down, 600 and something blocks down the steps, they tend to get wiggled out of place. And so you need to put them back in place. And what we do is we level them as well as we can, and we let them sit a while. And then we come back, and when you walk up and down the steps, you can hear them clacking, which means there's not a tight set. So you kind of use your chisel, go under the step, and then you use the glue to hold it in place. And will it stay forever? No. But you'll get a couple years out of it before you need to redo it again. Bruce is using his chisel to get out rocks and try to get the blocks pushed together to be even.
It's not too even here.
Yep, I know, I can see.
I can't get that in. You'll have to do it. I don't know. Pretty wet under there.
Well, if you think it's too wet, then no sense going any further. Let it dry out another day. We've had 3 days of rain. Not constant, but on and off. Some of it hard, some of it not too bad. But we thought it's a beautiful day. It's about 68 degrees out. Yeah, that's when you want to be doing this kind of stuff, not when it's 100. So, looks like we may have to give up this project for today and wait till it dries out a little bit more.
We're winding down. I have one more step to glue in, and it's next to this one that has the blocks piled up on top of it. Tomorrow, when that's dry, then I'll be able to do the one below it. Other than that, I believe we can say we are 99.9% done. The only thing that is left is the white toppers, which we need 5 more to fill in on that side of the wall. Still, they cannot be found. I have a email to Lowe's to let me know just when they do come in. I hope they will let me know when they come in. But 5 more toppers will do it. Now it comes down to letting the dirt settle, which it is doing, and planting stuff. So it's all done, and we are happy with that.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.